Alright, go to 20. These floors are locked off. Need a key to go up these floors. I'm probably not going to film the South Tower elevators. I don't know if it's close or not, but if it's like far away, then I'm not going to do it. Alright, let's go back down to L. Oh. Canceled my call, that's strange. I don't know why I did that. Innovation decorator fixtures. I know, Alex, you're gonna love this. This video is dedicated to Alex. Alright, gotta make sure there's no employee members out there. Whoa, that bell. Oh, good.